share with you today. It's very quick and easy to make, only takes about 5 minutes and very delicious. And special thanks to Michael who supported the channel. We have 3 ingredients for this dessert. We have unsalted butter, we have waffle sheets, we have some condensed milk with caramel flavor, and some pecans on the top. Butter. It has to be quite melted with the room temperature, so it's easy to mix it together. So it's very easy to mix together. It's really melted. And then we just add our caramel condensed milk, the whole jar. And mix it all together nicely. You can use a blender to mix it all together quicker if you like, but I find it's really easy with just a spoon. So the mixture should look something like this. Maybe a little bit more. And it's almost ready to go on top of the waffles. So it should look like this. And now we're ready to put everything on the waffle sheets. Starting with just 1 spoon, and spread it. You don't need too much, just so it's covering the whole sheet. And press it down. It's very easy to make. It needs only a few hours to sit like this on the table or overnight, so it nicely absorbs all the cream. And now, once it's nicely spread, on the top we can put a little bit of pecans. I use pecans, you can use any nuts that you like. I just cut them in a very small pieces and then just put it on top. I have some walnut nuts, but I just do put it on top everywhere like this. I have pecans as well. I just like to put some on the sides just to make it nice and pretty. And I usually put it in the fridge for a day or overnight, so it nicely absorbs and it's ready for a breakfast with coffee or tea. It tastes delicious and melts in your mouth. Alright, so that's ready. So, and it should look like this, you can see. So this is how it's looking after the night in the fridge. So it all nicely absorbed as you can see. I'll show you guys a bit closer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.